Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing great. Today is Monday and 16th of August 2021. And here is your English teacher from Kids University. Today we are going to learn about nouns number. Well, most of the nouns can have two forms. One is singular and the other one is plural. Let's discuss singular and plural nouns. Do you all remember what we have learned about nouns? A noun can refer to one or more than one person, animal, place, or thing. Now we are going to discuss singular and plural nouns. Singular noun. A noun that names one person, animal, place, or thing is called a singular noun. Here are some singular nouns: a boy, a cat, a house, a bag, and a book. These all are the singular nouns because they are only one in number. A noun that names more than one person, animal, place, or thing is called a plural noun. Here are some plural nouns: boys, cats, houses, bags, books. We add s to most of the nouns to show plural forms. There are some rules to change a singular form of a noun to plural form. We are going to learn about these rules one by one. Rule number 1. We add es to the nouns that end in ch, sh, o, s, ss, x, and z to get their plural forms. The plural form of sandwich is sandwiches. The noun sandwich ends in ch. That's why we have added es to its plural form. Dish ends with sh is a singular form and its plural form is dishes. In the same way, the plural form of mango is mangoes. Mango ends with o, that's why we have added es in its plural form. Plural form of bus is buses. Bus ends in s, that's why we have added es in its plural form. In the same way, the noun glass ends with ss, That's why we have added es in its plural form. The plural form of glass is glasses. The noun fox is a singular form and foxes is a plural form. But remember, the noun ox also ends with x, but we do not add es here, it's incorrect. Instead, we add en to the plural form of ox. This is an exception. Don't forget. The noun quiz ends with z, so we have added es to its plural form but with double z. The plural form of quiz is quizzes. Quizzes. Now let's discuss rule number 2. Sometimes some words ending in o takes only s in its plural form. For example, we say piano in singular form and its plural form is pianos. In the same way, plural form of radio is radios. Now let's talk about rule number 3. The singular nouns that end in a consonant followed by y change into its plural form by changing the y to I and then adding es. You will understand this with the following example. The singular noun fly ends in y and the plural form of fly is flies. We have added ies in its plural form instead of y. We say lady in singular form and ladies in plural form. Rule number 4. The nouns that end in a vowel followed by y change into plural form simply by adding s. For example, the singular form key ends with y and we have a vowel before y, that is e. That's why its plural form is keys. In the same way, the plural form of tray is trays. Now let's discuss rule number 5. To form the plural form of a noun that ends in f or fe, we replace the f or fe with ves. For example, the noun leaf ends with f, so we have added ves instead of f in its plural form. The plural form of leaf is leaves. The singular noun knife ends with FE, so the plural form of knife is knives. We have added VES instead of FE. But remember, few words do not follow this rule. Such as, the plural form of chef is chefs. We have only added S in it. We do not add VES here. In the same way, the plural form of cliff is cliffs. Now let's talk about the sixth rule of singular plural. Always remember, some nouns have the same forms in singular and plural. Such as, the plural form of hair is also hair. We do not add S here, we only say hair in plural form also. In the same way, the plural form of sheep remains sheep. We will not add S here. Rule number 7. A few singular nouns form their plural by changing the vowel or vowels which are inside them. For example, the singular form man, M-A-N, is changed into men in its plural form. We will write it as M-E-N, men. Here, the vowel A is changed into E. Another one is foot. The singular form foot is changed into feet by replacing OO with double E. O is also a vowel and E is also a vowel. So always remember, some nouns form their plural by changing the vowels which are inside them. This is all for today. I hope you understand what are singular and plural nouns. I am going to provide you some home tasks so that you can practice and understand the concept better. I am ending my lecture here. Stay safe, take care, and goodbye.